Okay, we got the fire extinguisher. We got it plugged in. We'll go try this out just for a second. The light turns on. You can see my light over here dims because it's drawing a little bit of current. So we're going to just see if this thing will even cycle a little bit. Turn it on, both burners. See if this thing will cycle. What it was doing before was turning on, but wasn't cycling at all. I don't have the covers on here, but we're just going to see. Whew, it's getting hot. Smells like pizza. I'd be able to burn the heck out of myself here. Just lean the back against here, see what's going on.